Hey, what up? It's your girl Farisfly, chilling here at Farisfly Studios, and today I am excited to bring you an unboxing. Okay, so I know what's in this box, but I have not opened it yet. As you can see, it's closed. So if you don't already know, Dearra Taylor, she is a YouTube influencer, now boss lady. She has a brand called Lorvae, very fancy, and I was able to snag me a pair during the first launch, which is crazy. I was not expecting to be able to get a pair of these because when I tell you, as soon as I checked out, those things were sold out. When I tell you that, okay, so I'm not gonna tell you which ones I got. I'm just gonna, be surprised with you guys as we look at the quality and see them for the first times and give real first impressions. So I'm going to, without further ado, get into the unboxing. Okay, there it is. Okay, you see that? Lorvae. Come on, Dearra, with the packaging. All right. I like that. See, that's why I didn't want to ruin the box. I wasn't sure if this was going to be the box. Oh, snap. Okay. Look at that, you guys. As soon as you open up the box, you are greeted. So I love it. Okay. So we have a card here that says, "Thank you for your support." Okay. Well, I feel like I got an autograph right there at the bottom. Okay, all right. So as you can see, and then you have the glasses. Okay, and I love that everything is nice and, put together. She didn't just throw them in there. I love the gold. It just screams luxury. I love this already. I like the unboxing. Okay, so let's get in here. Okay, there it is. Okay, there it is. So opening it up. So it's in there, snug. So be careful. You want to keep the box. So we're about to open them up. Oh, we get another one. Okay, so just to think, if you thought that this was luxury, you actually get another case, and this thing feels good. It feels like quality. Most companies don't give you a nice little case. This is nice. Okay. Come on, details. It's nice and soft right here. And then you also get Lorvae. She made sure she put Lorvae everywhere she could put Lorvae. You can't see it, but in white, it has Lorvae right here. And then this material right here is like a felt material. It's really soft. So you have not only Lorvae right here. When you open up the box, you also have Lorvae right here and this really soft material. So and then you have the glasses right here. So I'm loving this experience, and already, just without even opening this up, there's some weight to these glasses. Okay, they don't feel like they just some plastic glasses. You have your cleaning cloth right here, and with the cleaning cloth, also Lorvae. She want to make sure you say that name, girl. All right. And again, I'm loving the gold. This feels like luxury. Okay, this is not plastic. All right, so then you have Lorvae not only on the box, the cloth, you also have it on the case. So I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna have to zoom in and post, but Lorvae is also in the sack. So let's open this thing up. I love how she packaged this, you guys. And she wanted to make sure that you were good. She has like some plastic right here. Oh, snap. Now, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. See, these were put together with care. I love it. I love it. I don't know how many times I'm going to say I love it. So, yes, you guys, I got the main events. When I tell you this feels like quality, there is some heft to this, like some girth. I feel girthiness in these glasses, okay? They don't feel cheap at all. I love that Lorvae is not only on the side with the LE, you also have Lorvae in the inside of the glasses right here, and then you have main event on the other side. So let's put them on. Let's see what these things do. I gotta take off my prescriptions. Got the girl going blind for some Lorvaes. Let's see. Oh yes, baby. Yes. Yes. Okay. How I look, y'all? How I look? I love these. Okay. Okay. I am feeling myself right now. I am. I could see myself wearing these. Just on the daily. These feel good. Like they fit real good. They nice and snug. Like they not coming off. They not coming off. Okay. So, oh my goodness. This is definitely luxury. I'm loving it. Ah! This is my first time ever purchasing anything from an influencer on YouTube. And what I could say is I've been following Dearra since the days of DK4L, and I love how she presented her brand, and it made me feel like I can trust that she's gonna deliver. And when I tell you, she more than delivered. I was not expecting this type of quality. For what she charged, I was not expecting this kind of quality. I really feel like she's giving us what she will wear herself. You know, and sometimes people don't do that. They put out a brand and just, get money. This was not a quick, get rich quick scheme here. I don't feel that way. I got exactly what she was selling, and I feel like a baddie. You can't tell me nothing right now. You can't tell me nothing. Like, I'm feeling myself. I'm definitely feeling myself. I don't even want to take them off. I'm just gonna wear them for the rest of the video. That's just what it is. Okay? I want to keep the box. You know you have a good brand when you want to keep the box. You don't want to throw that thing away. I don't want to throw this thing away. I don't. It looks expensive. It feels expensive. I feel good. I look good. Come on now. I knew exactly which ones I wanted. And as soon as that thing went live, I went in there and went click, click, and click. Done. Okay? And when I tell you that thing said sold out, I rushed to my email to make sure I got me a confirmation email. Okay? It went through and I'm glad. I'm happy. 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 Oh yeah. So I just wanted to be able to share my experience with this unboxing. And if you haven't done so already, make sure when that, restock pops up, you go get you a pair of Lorvaes. This is my very first pair of sunglasses I ever purchased. So this is definitely going to be a brand that is going to be bigger and grow even larger and that demand is gonna be crazy. Then what? The price is gonna go up. It's only gonna go up. So I'm just so glad to get that original, that first lunch. What? Yes. Oh my goodness. So, all right, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm I'm feeling myself right now. Now I gotta find me somewhere to go to rock these. Okay, like for real. Like the main event. How do I look? Yes. Yes. All right, until next time. Peace.